Hello and welcome. I am Susan Reifer, and I'm here with you today at Scandinave Spa Whistler. The following meditation practice centers on rest, specifically on coming home to rest in a kind, supported presence with yourself. We'll transition by taking 3 deep breaths, inhaling through either nose or mouth, whichever works best for you, and then letting it out with a sigh. Here we go. Inhaling. Second inhale. Third inhale. Now invite your mind and attention to arrive gently in your body. Focus on the places where your body is making contact with the surfaces that are supporting you. Tune your awareness into feeling the points of contact where the surfaces that are supporting you are touching your body and where your body is resting on those surfaces. Feel your feet touching what's below you. Feel your legs resting on what's below you. Feel your seat being held. Underneath it all is the earth, steady and ever present. Feel yourself resting on what is supporting you. Feel yourself being held and supported by the earth. Direct some of your attention now, softly and gently, into your hands. Float your hands up off of where they are resting and move them through space. You feel yourself being supported by the earth, and you feel your hands moving as well. Place one hand on some part of your head or face with a light, soft, caring touch, and place the other hand on your heart area or belly, also with a soft, gentle, caring touch. Focus on the felt sensations of this gentle touch, on what it feels like to give this gentle touch and to receive it. Now move your hands to a different spot for more light, caring touch. You might give your shoulders a gentle hug, or slowly caress your own hands, or rest your hands softly on another part of your neck or face. Focus your awareness on the sensations and feelings on the outside of your body that arise with this gentle, kind touch, on giving it and receiving it. Now set your hands down. Recommit your awareness to feeling the places you are being held by the surfaces that are supporting you, by the earth. And turn your attention to your natural breath, just as you find it, coming and going, in and out. What's it like when the breath softly and gently touches what's on the inside of your body? Explore the felt experience of the insides of your body and get curious about what it's like to allow the gentle caress of your soft, natural breath to touch the places of your inner felt experience. With each breath in, you softly touch your inner experience. And with each breath out, you simply exhale. You have no hard work to do here. There is no fixing that needs to be done. It is as though you are arriving at home, or at a beautiful place of rest after a long journey, and are setting down your heavy bags and are melting into the arms of your favorite couch or a quiet chair by a fire or a hammock in the woods. You feel the earth supporting you and the soft caress of your breath touching your inner experience. There's no place else to go. There's nothing else to do. With each breath in, you softly touch your inner experience. And with each breath out, you simply exhale. When things arise, some thoughts or feelings, some sharpness or tension, some distraction or some restlessness, maybe a sense of victory and accomplishment, or one of failure and defeat. Whatever it is, the practice is to say, "Oh, hello. I see you, distraction. I see you, tension. I see you, familiar tightness in my body. And I touch you softly with my breath. With each breath in, you softly touch your inner experience, not to fix it or make it go away, but to rest in the kind, loving hammock of being at home in this present moment with yourself. And with each breath out, you simply exhale. Right now, my experience is this. Your attention is on the felt experience of being in your body, at rest, as though you've set your bags down and let go of all your agendas. Being present with all that arises, neither grasping at it nor pushing it away, but kindly and gently touching it with the soft caress of your breath as you are held by the ever-present earth. Right now, being at home is like this. Nothing to fix, nothing to change. Resting in kind companionship with yourself, with the soft caress of your breath and the support of the earth. Hello. Right now, it's like this. Right now, it's like this. Rest in your own loving awareness of your own lived presence. I hope this meditation was a benefit to you. My name again is Susan Reifer. Thank you for joining me here at Scandinave Spa Whistler.